Sheikh Salman is a dedicated and accomplished professional with a strong background in counseling, education, and administration. A proud alumnus of the University of Lagos. Greater Cockite. You are not here? Okay. Sheikh Salman holds a Bachelor's of Arts in Education, BAED, degree in 2004, and the Master's in Education degree in 2016. In 2019. In 2019 or 2016. Similar. In the quest for Arabic knowledge, Sheikh Salman also attended Nasiruddin Arabic School 1985, Arabic Village, Maduguri, Borno State, America's Dawa 1994. He contributed immensely to the growth of Arabic language and difference capacity. Sheikh Salman is the Mudir Morikaz Shawatul Islamiyya, Iwaya, Lagos. The Arabic Institute has produced many students who are now directors of many Arabic centers within and outside the country. Sheikh Saheed Salman needs no introduction when it comes to Islamic propagation, especially among the Muslim youth in Nigeria, many of whom have benefited from his vast knowledge, ranging from Arabic knowledge, Tafsir al-Quran, fiqh, among others. He has authored a book on Arabic. He has authored a book on Arabic essay writing in Arabic. He is currently working on another. I think that's on authoring more books. I guess that's what it is. With over a decade of professional experience, Sheikh Salman has held notable roles since he joined Java College of Technology, Java Tech, as an administrative officer in 2009. He is currently the deputy registrar of the institution and a member of different professional bodies, including Chartered Institute of Professional Management, CIPM, Council Association of Nigerians, and Guide of Muslim Professionals, among others. Throughout his career, Sheikh Salman has demonstrated exceptional leadership, counseling, oratory, administrative, and also interpersonal skills, earning him a reputation and a reliable and result-driven professional and Islamic scholars of repute. So we would like our father to be on his feet as we show him around to the audience. May Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be with you and guide you towards this journey. Thank you very much. You can have a seat. So inshallah, before we move to the next part of our